Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials. Make sure Discord itself isn't down and that your device isn't using a broken cache or extension. Open an incognito window, clear cache and cookies, and temporarily disable browser extensions so nothing intercepts requests. Next, flush the DNS cache on your machine. This forces fresh name resolution. Once done, reload the site. If it still fails, move on to deeper network adjustments, because cached entries or extension interference cause most client-side failures. You now tackle network layer blockers. Turn off any VPN or proxy and try loading Discord over cellular or a different Wi-Fi to isolate ISP or VPN issues. Change your DNS servers to Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 or Google 8.8.8 so name resolution isn't being hijacked or delayed. Reset the network stack with Netch WinSock reset on Windows, then reboot your router and device. This clears lingering socket or routing problems that can block HTTPS or WebSocket connections. You wrap up by removing local blockers. Inspect your host's file for forced blocks and ensure firewall or antivirus hasn't blocked Discord domains or ports. If the web client remains unreachable, install and use the Discord desktop or mobile app as a reliable fallback while you investigate further. Make sure to capture browser console errors and network logs. They reveal failed resource requests or certificate issues. If nothing fixes it, reboot everything and contact your ISP or Discord with the logs for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.